I am really hungry right now. I have been thinking about this burger all day, but I don't know if I can order in English. What if I say something wrong? What if they don't understand me? That would be so embarrassing.
Next, please. What size do you want? Large combo with Coke.
They are speaking so fast. I can't understand everything. This is too difficult for me. Maybe I should just go home.
Hey, Nora. I saw you from over there. Why are you just standing here alone?
I wanted to go inside and get something to eat, but I feel really nervous about speaking English. I'm afraid I will say something wrong, and people will look at me.
Hey, it's really okay. You don't have to be perfect. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning something new. And honestly, people don't care as much as you think.
Do you really think so? I always feel like everyone is watching me.
Trust me, you're doing much better than you think. And I'm right here with you, okay? I can help you if you get stuck.
That makes me feel a little better. Maybe I can try just this one time.
That's the spirit. Come on, let's go inside together. Okay, now we are inside. Look at the menu above us. I will teach you some simple words so you don't feel nervous.
Okay, that sounds helpful. I really want to try.
This is called a menu. It shows all the food and drinks you can order.
Oh, a menu. So this is where I choose my food.
This is a burger. It's the most popular thing here.
Burger, it looks really good. I think I want that.
And these are fries. They are salty, crispy, and very popular.
Oh, fries. I like fries. They look easy to eat, too.
This is called a combo. It means you get everything together. A burger, fries, and a drink.
Oh, so combo means many things together. That sounds much easier. I don't have to choose too much.
Exactly. And there are different combos. Some have chicken, some have beef, and you can choose your drink. And one more thing. A combo is usually cheaper than buying everything separately.
Oh, really? That's great.
You can save money when you order a combo. Now, let's talk about sizes. When you order a drink, you can choose the size. Small, medium, and large.
Medium sounds safe. It's not too big and not too small. It feels just right.
That's a very smart choice. Medium is very popular. Now, you only need one simple sentence. You don't need to say many things. Just one sentence, and you can order your food. Listen carefully. Can I get a burger combo?
Can I get a burger combo? Can I get a burger combo? Okay, that sounds easier than I thought. Perfect.
That was really good. You did it very well. You already sound much better. You just need a little confidence.
Okay, I feel a little better now. I think I can really do this.
Hi there! Welcome! How are you today? What can I get for you?
Hi. I'm good. Thank you. Just a moment, please. Okay, I can do this. Can I get a burger combo? Yes, one burger combo, please.
Of course! What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I'm not sure. What do you think?
Medium. Medium is a good choice.
Medium, please. Yes, medium.
And what would you like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, and orange juice.
I would like a Coke, please. Just a Coke.
Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. That's everything.
Let me check your order. 1 burger combo, medium size K, and a Coke. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please wait over there.
Good job, Nora. You did really well.
I did it. I was really nervous, but I did it.
This is your receipt. You get this after you pay.
Receipt. Okay. So this is like a record?
Like a record.
So it shows what I ordered and how much I paid? I should keep it.
And this is called a tray. You use it to carry your food. It helps you keep everything together.
Tray? Oh, I see. So I can carry my burger, fries, and drink on it. This is a tray. I put my food on the tray. That makes it much easier.
Right? I told you.
I didn't expect it to taste this good.
This is ketchup. You can use it with your fries. It makes the fries taste even better.
Ketchup. I've seen this before, but I didn't know the word.
And this is a napkin. You use it to clean your hands
Or your mouth. Napkin. I think I will need this soon. Oh, no ketchup. There's almost nothing left. I want more ketchup. I think I need to ask for more, buddy.
Okay, say this. Can I get more ketchup?
Can I get more ketchup? Can I get more ketchup? Can I get more ketchup? Yes, more ketchup, please.
Of course. Here you go, Madal.
Today, I was scared, but I tried, and now I can order food. What will you say to order a burger combo?